Hello and welcome. This is Angie with thecountryshootcottage.net. So today we're going to talk about your very first Cricut project. So if you just opened your Cricut machine, this is the video for you. So the first thing you're going to notice when you open your Cricut machine is that there's materials for a project inside. In my opinion, that should actually be your very first project. So what I've done is made another video just walking you through the steps of creating that project that comes out of the box. So if you're looking for that project first, just to learn a little bit more about your machine before you dive in, then head to the description below and I'll link you to that video. Now, after you've completed that project, where do you go from there? What project should you tackle next? So I have 3 suggestions, 3 material types that in my opinion are the easiest materials to work with. They are paper, heat transfer vinyl, and regular adhesive vinyl. So let's start with paper. Paper is super easy to cut, wide variety of projects you can make with it. So I'm going to show you 3 suggestions of projects that you can make with paper. And I'm going to leave links in the description of this video for all 3 of those with instructions. So you can head to the description below, click on those links, and get the instructions for all 3 of these projects. So let's take a look at what you can make with paper. Next up is heat transfer vinyl, or iron-on. You might hear it referred to both ways. So first of all, we have a whole video on the basics of heat transfer vinyl. So if you're super confused about how it works, how you're supposed to use it with your Cricut, how you're supposed to cut it, we have a whole video for that. I'm going to leave a link for that in the description below. Now, once you watch that video, you know a little bit about the basics. 3 projects you can make with heat transfer vinyl. So let's take a look at those projects. Once again, you can drop down to the description for this video, check out the 3 projects, and click on each of those to open up the instructions for each one. So let's take a look at those projects. Next up is adhesive vinyl. So adhesive vinyl is super versatile and easy to work with. Once again, we have a video all about the basics of it. So if you're super confused about even what I'm talking about when I say adhesive vinyl, that's the video you're going to check out. So I'll drop a link for that in the description below. Once you've watched that video, I'll have, right, you probably might have guessed it, 3 projects that use adhesive vinyl. So let's take a look at those. Once again, I will drop a link below for each of those so you can click those links, open up the instructions, and get started on one of those. So now all that's left to do is pick from the 9 total projects we had in this video and determine which one's right for you to get started with your Cricut machine. So pick one, get started, jump in. Now, if you have questions as you're going through your project, drop them in the comment section below and I'll be happy to answer those in the comment section, or I'll point you to a video that will answer the question you have. If you love this video, if it helped you out a little bit, helped you get started with your Cricut, please give us a thumbs up. We love thumbs up. Also, you might want to head on over to our YouTube channel and subscribe. We have videos like this one all the time, videos about your Cricut machine, videos about projects you can make, and basic tutorials on how to use Cricut Design Space, and you don't want to miss any of those. So head on over to our YouTube channel, subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and then also scroll back on YouTube and check out some of our other videos because I'm sure you'll find some that will help you use your machine. So thank y'all so much for joining me today, and I'll be back next week with another video. Thanks y'all. Bye-bye.